Hi, so today I'm going to guide you step by step how you can check that if your name as per the Vedic astrology or not. If your name is coming on the wrong alphabet, then you may suffer in your life or you will not get so much of success. So there's a very simple step that you have to follow. You have to go on chalchakra.com and then you have to click on calculator hub. In the calculator hub, you have to click on baby name finder. So here you have to put your moon sign. Make sure that you're only putting the moon sign. What exactly the moon sign is? Moon sign means wherever your planet is, wherever the moon is sitting in which zodiac sign in your birth chart will represent your moon sign. So you have to just put your moon sign here. Let's say if your moon sign is Sagittarius, then your name should come on YEYO, BHA, BHI, BHU, DHA, PHA. Why this is very important that your name should come on your moon sign, because let's say your name is not as per your birth chart. Let's say let's say your name starting with S and you are not a Aquarius moon sign, and right now Aquarius people are going through Shani ki Sarasati. Anyways, in your birth chart it shows that you are not going through Shani ki Sarasati, but your name is on S, which is connected to the Aquarius moon sign. Then your present life will be predicted that already you are going through Shani ki Sarasati, and the effect of Shani ki Sarasati will be seen on you just by your name. So that is the reason it's very important that your name should always be based on your birth chart. Very easy way to find it. You have to just choose your moon sign. If Aries is your moon sign, you have to just click on Aries and you will see ALCH. So these are the alphabets that comes for the moon sign Aries. You can choose this and you can see if your name is starting from the A, that means like your moon sign is Aries. So if your moon sign is Aries, your name should come on the A. If your moon sign is not Aries, still your name is starting with the A, that means right now you're going through Shani ki Sarasati. So this is a way where you can see is your name right as per the Vedic astrology or not. The second step is, if you don't know your moon sign, then how you can check your moon sign? You have to just click on the Kundali option. You have to put your date of, you have to put just your name. You have to write down your date of birth. You have to choose the timings and you have to choose the place. So you have to just choose the place here. So now this is the Kundli. You can see this is a Kundli of the person whom I put the date of birth here. So now you go and check where the moon is sitting in this birth chart will become the moon sign. So where it is written MO. So this is moon where it is written MO. So this is MO, and this means the moon, and moon here is sitting in the sign of Libra. So this is the sign of Libra. So we can say the person's moon sign is Libra. So you have to just see that what is your moon sign. Go on the calculator hub, put your choose here moon sign Libra, and check that is your name starting with this, because if your moon sign is Libra, your name should start with this. This will be going to help you out to get to know is your name right or not. So if you still have any confusion, you can ask me on the comment. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.